Welcome to BulldogRealty.com. Check out all of our new home communities organized by the county. Each are located within Northeast Georgia. Many qualify for USDA 100% mortgage financing. Go Dogs! Craftsman style ranch, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, concrete siding with brick accent, patio, open floor plan, kitchen has custom white cabinets, large island, walk-in pantry, granite kitchen countertops, wood-burning brick accent fireplace, master suite has walk-in closet, master bath has separate shower and garden tub, double vanity, 2-car garage, new harmony plan, home is under construction, seller is offering with full price offer $8,000 credit towards closing costs. Included upgrades with full price offer: covered rear porch, 6 FT wood privacy rear fence, refrigerator, 2-inch faux blinds, garage opener, master shower door, and rate buy down with preferred lender of 5.5% for qualifying buyers. Preferred lender $10,000 first time home buyer credit program available to qualifying buyers.